Hi, I wanted to pop in really quick before your workout and remind you that registration to my special unlimited program ends September 15th. So that's 1 week from now, September 15th, 2019. And we won't open registration again until 2020. So it's your last chance to join my flagship program. You'll get immediate access to over 200 of my workout videos, most of which you'll never find here on YouTube. You'll be able to have workout calendar. So I'll tell you exactly what workout to do every single day to get the most out of your fitness. You'll also get monthly healthy recipes from me, inspirational writings, and an amazing community where we support one another and really take the next step to prioritize ourself and our health. I would love to have you there. Click the link below and come on over to join Unlimited. There are monthly, 3-month, and yearly programs available. I would love to have you there. Hi, thanks for joining me today. We are doing a booty burner workout and we will get started. So you're going to start on your back. Lay down on your mat, have your legs hip distance apart, feet are flat. So we're going to start with a few bridges. Take your inhale and exhale, curl your tailbone and roll yourself up. Inhale at the top and exhale, roll yourself down. I just want you to check here that you're not letting your knees fall out to the side or fall together as you roll up. So really important to make sure that you're keeping that alignment, especially if you want focus in those glute muscles here while we're working. We tend to have asymmetry side to side too, so it's good to, again, keep that alignment to make sure they're working evenly. All right, one more. We're gonna roll up and we are gonna stay there. So stay here. Now, I want you to think of having a flat back. So it's like you're nice and flat here from your knees all the way to your shoulders, and I want you to lower down halfway and then press back up. Nice job. So I have to tell you guys, this is one of my filming days, and I just filmed one of our high intensity interval training workouts, and my legs are shaking already. So if you're ever wondering what else to do, if you want to add on to this, do one of the high intensity interval training workouts and you will have quite the leg burner going on. Otherwise, this workout will be plenty, I promise. 3 and 2, 1. Come up, hold it here in pulses. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, exhale, curl, roll back down. Nice job. Inhale. Exhale, curl, roll back up. Nice. So now flat back again, but lower and tap and then lift. Pressing through your heels to lift up. And 3, 2, and 1. Another pulse at the top. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll back down. Nice job. Let's roll onto your right side. So you're going to be on your elbow and your bottom leg is going to come forward, so it's at a 90-degree angle here. Your elbow is in line with your hip, and I want you to lift the leg up and down. All right, so it's just coming up to about hip height. Doesn't have to go very high. Think about keeping your ribs lifted. So just because we're working our booties here doesn't mean we don't need to focus on everything else. Always just having purposeful movement, right? That's the key to being in control of your own body, that you always know what's going on with it. And sometimes it means you have to constantly check. You'll say, oh, I was sinking in my shoulder. I didn't even know. But you check, you fix, you correct, and you keep going. Last 2. 1, hold it up, pulse again. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now bring it forward like you're going to do a squat and then press it back out. You can have your toes pointed. You can have your foot flexed, whatever you prefer. Feel like there is a wall at your foot and you're pressing it away. Nice job. And 4, 3, and 2. Last one. Nice job. Now I want you to turn your toes in, lower down, tap your toes, and then lift. So my legs stayed in the same position, but I just rotated my leg inward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna pulse again. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. And then rest it down. All right, so from here, you're just gonna come up onto all fours, except we've got that left leg pressed back with the toes pointed. Now we're gonna lift it up and down. So we're kind of going through all parts of your booty. Don't be surprised if you even feel that right hip in this position. Making sure you're kind of, again, staying purposeful in that upper body. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pulse here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it in. Sit yourself back if you need a stretch. Roll up. And then we have another side. So let's come onto your left side. So again, you're on your elbow. We're going to bring the left leg forward at that 90-degree angle. Your right leg is reaching out. Point your toes and really feel like it's long, and then lift it up. That will give you a little more isolated work than just, trying to do it here without thinking. And you're like, I can do 100. I don't feel it. That's part of the reason. It's just not that purposeful movement. Press away from the elbow. Reach the leg long. Your ribs are lifted. Now you're allowed to start, and it should feel much different. Good. And 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep it lifted. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to come forward. This is our little kind of side squat position. Press it away. See if you can keep it up in line with the hip. If you have weakness in the hip, you're going to find it wants to kind of drop down like this. So I want you to try to keep it in line with the hip. Nice job. 3 more. 2, 1. Press it away. Okay, now turn it in and down and then lower and lift. So you're kind of lifting up from the heel. Again, not a very big motion, and you're going to get some obliques here too, working quite a bit. Good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Little pulses. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Okay, hands down, and then we're going to come over onto all fours. You would think all this work is going to my brain here. Gotta still be able to talk. Good. Toes pointed, reach the leg out. Again, left hip working quite a bit. Just try not to let yourself shift over to the left. Find your breath again. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Little pulses. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Bring it in. Stretch back.